once they had begun to discover the most distant universe ever seen, Hubble astronomers tried to push their observations even farther back in time. In 2003 and 2004, Hubble performed its deepest exposure ever, the Hubble Ultra Deep Field. It is a 28-day-long exposure, going much deeper than the earlier Hubble Deep Fields north and south.
The Hubble Ultra Deep Field reveals the first galaxies to emerge from the so-called Dark Ages, the time shortly after the Big Bang when the first stars reheated the cold, dark universe.
Just after the Big Bang, in the newborn, fast-expanding universe, before the era of the stars and galaxies, the distribution of matter was fairly smooth. As time went on, the king of all forces, gravity, started acting. Slowly but steadily. Under the influence of gravity from the mysterious dark matter, small clumps of normal matter started to coalesce in regions where the density was slightly higher than average. With no stars to light up space, the universe was in its dark age.